Hello and welcome to this special session on how to use your brain to its full capacity. Today we will discuss some key strategies and techniques that can help you unlock your brain's full potential. Are you ready? Let's get started. There's a common myth that humans only use 10% of their brain capacity, but in reality, we use most of our brain most of the time. However, the human brain is an incredible organ, but most people only use a fraction of its full capacity. Understanding the brain. The human brain is a complex organ that controls all functions of the body. It is made up of neurons that communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. The brain is divided into different regions that specialize in different functions, such as perception, memory, movement, and emotion. Improving brain health. Improving brain health is essential for overall well-being and maintaining cognitive function. Here are some tips to improve brain health. Exercise helps to improve blood flow to the brain, which can enhance cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. Sleep is essential for brain health, as it helps to consolidate memories and improve cognitive function. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Eat a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help to nourish the brain and support cognitive function. Stay mentally active. Engage in mentally stimulating activities, such as reading, playing chess, or learning a new skill, to keep the brain sharp and improve cognitive function. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have negative effects on the brain, so it's important to find ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Socializing with others can help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. Join a club or group that interests you, or volunteer in your community to stay engaged with others. Protect your brain. Wear a helmet when participating in sports, wear a seatbelt while driving, and take steps to prevent falls to protect your brain from injury. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can improve your brain health and support cognitive function throughout your life. Mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health when it comes to brain function. Here are some practices that can help improve your mental health. Practice cognitive stimulation. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, learning a new language, or playing a musical instrument. Maintain social connections. Socializing with others can help keep your brain active and healthy. Join a club, volunteer, or simply spend time with friends and family. Manage mental health conditions. Mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety can affect brain function. Seek professional help if you are experiencing symptoms. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Take a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness. Brain training. There are many brain training programs and apps available that claim to improve cognitive function. While the scientific evidence behind these programs is mixed, there are some practices that have been shown to improve brain function. Meditation. Regular meditation has been shown to improve attention, memory, and emotional regulation. Brain-boosting supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and can be found in fish, nuts, and seeds. Ginkgo biloba is a herbal supplement that has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Bacopa monnieri is a herbal supplement that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to enhance cognitive function. Vitamin B12 is essential for brain function and can be found in meat, fish, and dairy products. Healthy habits. Finally, here are some healthy habits that can help improve brain function. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for brain function. Taking breaks throughout the day can help improve productivity and prevent burnout. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking can actually impair cognitive function. Instead, focus on one task at a time. There are many ways to improve brain function and enhance cognitive performance. By following a healthy lifestyle, engaging in mentally stimulating activities, and using brain-boosting supplements, you can optimize your brain function and live a more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video on how to improve brain function. Comment your thoughts and views about improving brain function. Please subscribe and like.